Hi there, I'm Abhishek Jain, a chartered accountant. That's like a CPA in the US with 12 years of helping businesses, instructors, and entrepreneurs survive the nightmare of taxes, compliance, and paperwork. But today, we're tackling a different kind of headache, one I bet you face too. Picture this. You've just spent hours researching online, maybe even used AI tools to gather perfect content. Now comes the real torture: copying it all into PowerPoint slide by slide, formatting, aligning, only to realize you forgot to update page 7. I've seen clients waste 200 plus hours a year on this. That's 5 work weeks. As a CA, I couldn't ignore that math. Now, why this course? Here's the twist: I'm not a programmer. I'm a numbers guy who hates repetitive work. After helping 1,000 plus businesses automate taxes, finance, accounts, GST, and refund of DTAA claims, I applied the same logic to PowerPoints. This course is the fastest, most no code solution you'll find because it has zero coding. Just copy paste my script. 60-minute guarantee from zero to automation, proven by non tech professionals like teachers, freelancers, even my 55-year-old uncle. Who this is for? If you're a business owner tired of deck making, an instructor drowning in lecture slides, a student losing sleep over presentations, anyone who thinks there's got to be a better way, you're in the right place. By the end, you will have a ready to use script. I'm giving it to you. Automate 90% of slide creation, know how to tweak it for bullet points, better presentation, etc. All with tools you already have. No fancy software. Imagine this time next week. Instead of drowning in PowerPoint hell, you'll be creating polished presentations with just one click. That's 5, 10, maybe 20 hours of your life given back to you every month. Now let's see the magic happen. Watch as the script converts these Word files into slides faster than I can explain it. Here's my folder. It has 7 Word files, each representing a chapter of this course. Let me open the first one. See? The first is the slide number. Thereafter, within a slide bold paragraph is the slide title. And the remaining text in the same slide of the second paragraph is the subtitle. The rest of the slide content follows the same pattern. Clean and simple. Now the other Word files, same structure. Chapter 2, Chapter 3, all ready to become slides. Time to run the magic. I'll open the command prompt. This is where the Python script comes in. Don't worry. I'll give you this exact script soon. No secrets here. Watch closely. I will hit enter. And boom! As you can see here, it's a created successfully. All chapters created successfully. Done! Look! Now we have 7 PowerPoint files, one for each Word document. Let's open this one. Perfect! Every title and subtitle is now a slide, just like we planned. And it took seconds. Imagine doing this manually for hundreds of slides. Wow, right? What just took seconds could have taken hours of copy pasting. That's the power of automation. Want this course free as an early bird? Type yes I want in the comment box below and fill out the Google form from link given in the description. Thereafter, I'll personally share an early access link for free with you. The script is ready. The method is proven. All that's missing is you. Click enroll now And let's turn presentation pain into your newest productivity superpower. Automation is starting now. See you in the class.